Hello guys, it's me again. Welcome back to my channel, which is Tech and Non-Tech with Sumit Odar, with the big update given by the JPSC for the candidate those who have written assistant engineering examination for the advertisement number 8 2018 civil mechanical and electrical. So before we proceed for the video, if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe it, and also don't forget to share the video with the candidate those who have written for assistant engineering examination. So let's start the video. So JPSC has released the revised answer key for the assistant engineer for the advertisement number 8 2018 and 8 2019 for the civil mechanical and electrical. For that you need to go to their official website, which is jpsc.gov.in. When you go to their official website, you will be getting, you just go to the right side of the page. In that second last and the third last is the notification of the revised answer key for the civil mechanical and electrical. This one is for the civil and mechanical, and this one is for the electrical. So whichever branch you belong to, you please go and do click on it. It will direct you to the PDF. In this PDF, just scroll down this PDF. You will be getting the answer key for the each section. In that, first is the general ability test. For this section they have given the revised answer key for the total number of questions 4. So here it is given series A. For the series A, this is the corresponding question number, and this is for the series B, series C and series D, and for each series their corresponding question number and their revised answer key is given in the last column. So this, when you scroll down, you will be getting the revised answer key for the mechanical engineer paper 1. In that paper 1 they have given the revised answer key for the total number of question 7. Okay, so you please go and check it according to your booklet series number. Again you scroll down, you will be getting the revised answer key for the mechanical engineering paper 2. When you go down, similarly you will be getting for the civil engineering paper 1 and paper 2. So okay, for those who have written, you please go and check it, and you can get the actual marks of your exam before your marks released by the JPSC. So with this I am signing out. Until we meet again, till then, bye bye.